What's up, my fellow yarn bombers? My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. And if you're viewing my videos for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you stick around. And for those of you who are returning viewers and or loyal subscribers, thank you for coming back, as I appreciate your patronage. So a couple things I want to discuss today. So first off, Saturday is Valentine's Day. So this is a friendly Valentine's Day reminder to don't forget to get something for your sweetheart or your loved ones or your wife or your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend before it's too late. So I was at Walmart today for another reason, but then for a different reason, but I saw some of the flowers they had on sale, and they weren't really on sale. Like some of their standard bouquets were like about 30 bucks. So I decided not to forego to get one. So plus, you know, that's predictable. I've done that for my husband like almost every Valentine's Day, so I'm not doing that. So, but I did go to Walmart because, as you may know, there has been a declining trend. There has been a trend of Walmarts across the nation having what I like to call the incredible shrinking yarn aisle syndrome. Because my local Walmart I went to today, their aisle was like half the aisle. I mean, it was like their crochet hooks, knitting needles, and all their accessories, and then it was like a little bit, and then the rest was all yarn. And then they had end caps of yarn too. But I went to Walmart today just to see what the status of that was, and it's been shrinking little by little every time I go there. So this is not only that Walmart, but there's several other Walmarts I've been to where I've seen that too. But so far, the ones about 20 to 30 miles outside Akron haven't suffered that as of yet, so knock on wood. So speaking of Walmart, I decided I was in the yarn aisle. I had to see what it was all about, and I did score some yarn. So this is going to be kind of a mini yarn haul. So and these are all from Red Heart, because Walmart usually carries a lot of Red Heart yarn. And plus, you know, being Valentine's Day, you know, Red Heart, so I had to get some. So some of these colors spoke to me, so I had to get some. So the first one I'm going to show is their Super Saver Ombre line. Now I've worked with this color in the past, but since I am currently working on the triangular knitted shawl, which is what this picture is of, and I like the way it's turning out with the Baja Blue. And it's almost kind of like a purplish lavender periwinkle type of thing. So I thought after I do that project, I'm going to make another shawl with this color. And I love this color. It's got a lot of grape jelly in there, some purples in there, violets, and a little bit of light lavender here. So the shawl's going to turn out really great. So I'll let you know when I get to that. But right now I'm still working on the other shawl. So the second color that I saw that really popped out to me was their Super Saver Jumbo, and the colorway is called Brightstripe. And it's a number 4 worsted weighted yarn. It is 10 ounces or 283 grams, 482 yards or 440 meters. Then here is the stats on that so that y'all can see it. And then the recommended knit needle size is a US 10 or 6 millimeter, and then also for circular knit needles, I guess for this particular project it's all knitted, it's a US number 10, 36 inch. And the project they have on here is the diagonal squares throw, and it actually looks pretty decent. I might try this one too whenever the yarn spirits move me or the yarn gods move me. But I just liked it because there's the aspect here of potential color pulling. So I may try that with this yarn. And then the last one I got was their Super Saver Jumbo Stripes. And again, the colorway for this is called Favorite Stripes. That's a number 4 worsted weighted yarn. Crochet hook size is US I or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, or a US 8 pair of knit needles, which is also 5 millimeter. It's machine washable. And then the stats on this skein is the same as the Jumbo. Same size, same weight, same length of yarn. And the same for the Ombre too. So they're all the same size and weight. So again, this could be for color pooling as well. I like the different colors in here, kind of like a rainbow effect. So I like that. All right, so that's my mini little yarn haul. So I also want to thank all of y'all who recently subscribed to the channel. As of this taping, I have 607 subscribers, which was fantastic because last night when I went to sleep, I had 598, I believe, and then I woke up this morning and I woke up to 606, so which was a great increase in subscribers, so which was fantastic, and I thank y'all for that. And also on my Instagram feed, I've been getting a lot of subscribers. I posted my cotton candy blanket reveal because I didn't post it on my Instagram, but I did on my YouTube. So I thought I owed my Instagram followers that same option. So, and I've been getting a lot of positive responses and feedback for that too, and quite a lot of follows on that too. So, for those of you who are not on my Instagram, it's the same name as on my YouTube. You have to look up for the Crafty Crocheter 7, same as on my YouTube, and the picture is the same with this, so shouldn't be hard to find me. So yeah, so and I got a film, and Friday is going to be my 1-year anniversary extravaganza, so I have a lot of ideas I'm going to do for that, so stay tuned for that. And I also have some interesting items on the way, to a tutorial I want to work out. I'm going to finish up doing the tutorial for the cotton candy blanket, so stay tuned for that. And I'm also going to do like a weekly progress report for my knitted shawls, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, so a lot of things going on with me. So hope everyone stays going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Love is the most powerful force in the universe. Love each other, help each other out, be there for one another, be kind to one another, spread kindness to everyone, pay it forward if possible. Stay true to yourself, love yourself because you're the most important person in this universe. I love y'all. Thank you so much for your love and support and your kind words of encouragement for the channel, which has helped me grow as not only a creator, but also as an individual. So that's fantastic. I thank y'all for that. Yeah, so that's all I have for the day, guys. So I went to the gym earlier, got my workout in, so I'm going tomorrow and Friday. Shocker, right? So, and I got to come up with some ideas for my extravaganza, so be ready for that. And Friday is Friday the 13th, so if you're superstitious, be on the lookout. Well, I'm not trying to scare y'all, but if you're superstitious, you know, so. Or maybe a good time to watch all those Friday the 13th movies, Mrs. Voorhees and Jason. And I did a cute little short yesterday about Friday the 13th from the Crafty Crocheter. I just try to do something little wacky and out there and try to pay homage to the original Friday the 13th movie. So, and yes, I am a horror movie fan, so shocker, right? So I still got some work to do on this craft space, but it's coming along. So, and I'm working on my husband's scrapbook too, so a lot of projects going on, a lot of whips going on. So yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see, because you're going to be blown away by the amount of content, by the quality of content that I'm going to bring out to everybody. So subscribe, like this video, like my other videos. Stay on top of your mental health. Good mental health is very important. I forgot to stress that out, because mental health is very important any time of the year. So now I'm going to close this out. Take care of yourselves and each other.